So I'm back. We're looking at this Daikin. My Meta sunglasses quit working, so I'm gonna try to get my angles like this. Right now the compressor's very hot to touch. We're gonna see if it's grounded. If it's not grounded, I know it still has lock rotor amps. I suggest you guys get your ACs and systems checked before it get too hot out. No ground. No ground. So this is not grounded. But it does have an open windings. I should get numbers on my meter right here, and it's just OL. And that's how you find a bad compressor.